What's going on, guys? Eric here. Welcome back. It is time for us to start working on our 2015 FZ-07. It's time to turn into a track bike. So today's goal is pretty simple. We just want to get it stripped down so we can start getting brackets, exhaust, suspension, etc. installed on the bike. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so we almost got the whole bike stripped down. Granted, there wasn't much on it, so there's not a whole lot left to do. We still got these covers to pull off. We got the rear pegs to pull off. We got to take the kickstand off. And this fancy little headlight assembly, we gotta tear it off. But for the most part, she's almost completely done being taken apart. I think I'm gonna hold off on the exhaust until we're actually ready to put the new one on. So let's get back to work. Now that we've got the foot pegs off the bike, let's go ahead and get this light assembly off as well. It looked pretty straightforward. If anybody want a wrecked light assembly, let me know. Let's get to it. So the final thing I want to do for today is get these handlebars off the bike. Bit of a mess, but we got it. Alright guys, it's the next day. We managed to get the bike stripped down, but now we got it stripped down. Let's get a closer look at the damage that we got going on with the bike. So as you can see, the frame took a little bit of rash in there. I'm gonna guess he probably ran into the sidewalk. It's not terribly deep, but it's deep enough to be an annoyance. Now, I don't plan to change the frame, maybe later on, but it's going to be a track bike, so it's probably going to go down at some point. And then we also managed to get the case there, but we'll get that replaced maybe down the line. We'll see. Definitely want to get some case savers. And then the final bit of damage was I managed to get the swing arm as well. Bit of an annoyance. I do have the pieces that go back here, but we'll see if we can't fix this, get it around again. Alright guys, so that's it for this episode. It's good to see this bike finally coming about. It's been sitting in my garage for far too long for me not doing anything with it. So it's fantastic that I finally got this thing stripped down. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more action on this FZ-07. We'll see you later.